If you don't, and you use the front target, you're going to get that ceiling. So, it's always pointed down range.
Thank you.
Okay, so you want to trade out for a rifle each?
Not only one.
Just one rifle?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want on the other lane?
I think just we'll have one for one lane.
Okay, so are you gonna be done with the
Yes.
one lane? Okay. Full AR-15, got the AK.
Something easier maybe.
Okay, the 9mm is gonna be. So when I give it to you, it'll be locked back, mag out. Loading
Okay.
these mags, see the picture? Use your thumb here. Push it in, and that'll load it then. You can swing it. I'll ask you to sign it. Keep in mind that the barrel's pointed this way.
Okay.
So make sure you keep it pointed downrange.
Thank you, sir.
And these are for you.
Make it easier.
Well,